Hi guys, it's Avas from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to create Skype account. Let's get started. So simply open the Google Chrome. Type here Skype login. And click on this link. So you can see the option open Skype in your browser. Click on it. If you already have Skype account, so simply sign in. If you don't have any account, so here you can see the option of no account. Create one. So click on it. Here you can use your phone number or your email address. So I'm going to use email address. So type here your email and simply click on next. After adding the Gmail, you have to simply click on next. Now here you have to create password. So create a strong password. Now enter your first name. For example, I'm typing Muhammad and last name Awais and click on next. Now you have to enter the verification code. Send it to your email. So after entering the verification code, your account will be created. So you can see our account is created. So you can also create your Skype account by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.